Hey, foodies! Welcome back to Blogging Good Food. Today, we are unraveling the secret behind the unique essence of butter chicken in comparison to other delightful dishes. Now, we are not cooking today. We are diving into a taste bud adventure. Butter chicken bliss, a symphony of creamy tomato goodness, tender chicken, and aromatic spices. Butter chicken, the unrevealed star of Indian cuisine. As we revel in its luxurious texture and rich flavors, we'll see why it stands in a league of its own. The global culinary mingle. Now, let's zoom out and witness butter chicken's dance in the global culinary scene. It's more than a dish, it's a cultural ambassador harmonizing with flavors worldwide, bringing a touch of India to every corner of the globe. Butter chicken versus rivals. Time for a friendly showdown, but chicken enters the ring with some heavyweight rivals. Watch as it effortlessly claims its spot, showcasing that unique blend of comfort and excitement unlike any other. Ever wondered about the secrets behind butter chicken's charm? Join me behind the scenes and discover the meticulous preparation and carefully selected spices and the culinary craftsmanship that make this dish an irresistible masterpiece. Cultural connections. Beyond the taste, butter chicken has a rich culinary history. Let's explore its roots and the stories it carries from the heart of India. It's not just a dish, it's a cultural journey connecting us to the vibrant tapestry of Indian flavors. Health nut analysis. Now, let's dive into the nutritional aspect. How does butter chicken are fare against other dishes in terms of health? Surprisingly well. It's not just a treat for the taste buds, it brings a balanced nutritional profile to the table, proving that indulgence can be smart. And there you have it, folks, the unique essence of butter chicken in an experience that transcends borders and palates. If your taste buds are dancing, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned for more delicious adventures on blogging with food.